And welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today we are going to do a skincare skin mask review testing tutorial. I have done these videos a very long time ago, but haven't done them recently, so I thought, you know what, let's get back on the bandwagon and do these, because I know that you did like these videos and you did want to see them. But before we go any more into the product and what we're going to do in the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the content, the video, the advice, the tutorial, or anything I give in this video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, because it helps me out of knowing what you guys want to see, and it tells me that other people can see it and other people can like it as well, and then the video will go round and we can do more. Because if you have not subscribed to tazwells12, you can easily do this by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, hitting the subscribe button on my main page, clicking that, then you're subscribed to tazwells12 and you can see loads of videos, previous videos I've done, everything. And then you can also be part of the Love family and my YouTube channel, and also if you click the notification bell, that will tell you when I've uploaded a new video. So when I do more of these skincare ones that I'm wanting to do, then you can literally see it straight off the back and you'll be notified. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands, this is all out of my own money, and yeah, it's just an advice video for you guys, so not sponsored at all. If you like the product and everything else and you would like to give me some sort of professional criticism or make the video a little bit better, or what you would like to see, then comment down below. Like I said, anything you would like, anything about the video, so comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you every single time and like your comment. Please check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter and 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my normal main account, so that could be my social life, what's going on in my normal day, anything like that. And then you have tazwells12 home account, which is quite new, and I started it in 2021, like the middle of 2021. I have actually been posting on there, so there's, at the moment, I will post anything about the house, so it could be about us as a couple, what we've done for the house, anything that we've done improvements, and what we buy for the house. And then is like loads of bargains on there I'm trying to do from like car boot sales. My previous ones I've done in 2021. There will be a new series for 2022 when they come back out. I think that's it. I'm going to stop rambling because the intro's gone on a long time, so now we are going to get into the skin care testing tutorial video. I was saying in the intro of this video, before I show you the product, that this is hopefully going to be the second series. I don't know how many I've done on the first one. It could be joint on the first one, or I can make a second series, because I don't like making them too long, but I've got literally loads to show you. I have got all these ones to do. So there's quite a few that needs to be done, but the one we're going to do today is, so this is from FACEFACTS. I don't know if I was given this one or I actually bought it, because some I buy, some I get given, because some people know that I like face masks. 2022, one thing I want to start doing is doing a lot more skincare on my face. So like every week, maybe do a skin mask. So before this, I actually done a skin mask, like a mud one, just to take the oil impurities out. And then what these ones I put on after is then to give the moisture back into my face and sort of relax and soothe and everything like that. This FACEFACTS, this is the Ice Cream Smoothing Sheet Mask. In that title, I want to know if this sheet mask smells like ice cream, or it's just got a picture on it, so we're going to see that. And also it's enriched with banana extract, and I love anything with banana in it. It smells of banana, like a banana ice cream maybe, but I don't know. One printed sheet mask, it's vegan, and then the sheet mask looks like down here, and then it just says it needs to be left on for 20 minutes on the back. If you've never seen these before, they're really easy. So what I'm going to do is just clip up my hair really quickly, take off my glasses, and then we will get this out and see what it feels like, see what the texture is, and see if these are any good really as a face pack. And then I will go for like 20 minutes, and I will come back, take it off, tell you what it's felt like with the mask on, unless it's given me a reaction or itchy or it's felt nice or cooling or something like that. And then I'll take it off, describe, and I will tell you my verdict of what I think of the face mask. 2 minutes, I'll be back and put my hair up. All clipped up now. My skin, I'll come a little bit closer, is very, very smooth at the moment because I did the mud mask and sort of took all the impurities out, so it's actually quite smooth. What this is meant to do is just sort of like give a boost and smoothing of the skin so we get some moisture back in, because basically the mud mask will take all the moisture out, take all the impurities out, all the dirt, everything like that, and then you want moisture back in. I do these literally before I'm having a shower, so when I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, that's why it's up. But this is when the best time is to do it, when my hair is horrible, because with these sheet masks, they normally get in your hair. We'll open this up. Before I put it on my face, when I have put it on my face fully, I'm actually going to use this little tool. And I got this tool from the car boot sale, and it's green and it's stone. So you got two little ends. You've got like a little end here, little tiny end. That's probably to get all under your bags of your eyes and anywhere small, like your eyebrows and everything. And then you've got the bigger side, which is to roll it on your face and then maybe get some of the moisture down your neck and everything. So that's what I'm going to use it. Yeah, I literally bought this out from the car boot sale, about 50p, cheap as chips. I have got another one, pink, and I haven't used yet. I think this bit is glass and this bit's stone. Basically the stone is for the cooling action. You could put this in the fridge before you do it and roll it on your face and be even cooler. This one out of B&M for like £1.99 or something like that. It was really, really cheap, but this one I find the best, and it's actually a bit more potent because it's got a nice handle. Read up about these a little bit more because I've got them, but I've never read what they're for, because obviously this is a green one, that's pink. Like, what's the difference? If anyone knows, please comment down below and let me know what these different colours do, if they're, let me know. Have a sniff. There's definitely a hint of banana, so if you don't like banana, you will not like this at all. There's definitely a hint of banana, so it's very, very moist. Liquid in the packet. There's a tiny bit of liquid in the packet, not too much. Just unravel this. Oh, it's all dripping on me. This is the only problem I find with sheet masks. They do them really thin, but if you pull them really quickly, you can like break them. And then the little nose bit you can pull down. So we just put this on. This is very, very slimy. So I've just got a mirror in front of me. So put this on. So I start with the head bit and put it as far up, and then literally just try and get your nose on around your eyes. Normally you have to fold these things. They're too big for my face, but they need to make a size for everyone, don't they? And I normally do the top lip, otherwise I will be eating it. And then the bottom. And then you just smooth it on. Very moisture. Right, you can see that. And I just sort of press it in wherever I can, so get it like right in your eyebrows, right in the top of your hairline, literally like all over your face. So I'll smooth it down my neck. Not sort of pulling it. And then I get the moisture like around my nose and everything, because that's where I get like the driest. I'll just rub that in my hands. It's only serum. And to be honest, you want really moist. Doesn't smell as banana now, but if you don't like the scent, you won't like this. It's get this. Sorry, I've got to speak like this. But I just get this very quickly and just roll over or roll down. And give it a good like roll over my face in case I've missed anywhere. It will get that little nooks and crannies. So I'll go over the big roller first. And then I will swap round and then do it for the little one. So get right under that eye line, like that. And then right in the eyebrows. Be careful because it smushes the liquid out and it could go in your eye, so just do that. I'm going to go off now for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and we can discuss what's happened. "20 minutes is nearly up and most of this is quite dry. I was going to go over it with the roller, but I think my skin has literally soaked up all the moisture in this mask, because you can see it like coming off here, and I've been trying to like stick it back and it's literally coming off, and here. I think we're just going to take it off. Oh, you can still smell banana in that, so yeah, just be careful because there's definitely a banana smell. During that, just let this soak in my face a little bit more. So during that, the mask was really cooling, like really cooling. I love like a banana scent as well, so it was quite nice. I liked that. And also it wasn't too like sweet, it literally smelled like a banana sweet, like a foam banana. But if you don't like that scent, or you don't like bananas in general, then you're not going to really like it. But the sheet mask felt amazing. Rub all this into my skin because it is literally soaked everything up. Like it was like dripping at one point, but it's literally soaked everything into my skin. So I'm just going over like anywhere that's a little bit wet or that needs a bit more like moisture, like around my nose. Yeah, just to soak it in. But you can see that it's definitely like soaked in my face and it's given me like a nice shine. To be fair, that was a lovely sheet mask. I think I was given that one. I don't think I actually bought that one. I think I was given it. I think it came from like B&M or something like that. They're really, really cheap. B&M are. They're more cheaper than Home Bargains, but Home Bargains and B&M and even the Pound Shop do like a really different range of like face masks. So if you're like really into like different ones, or you just want to keep the same one, then they go to the same place. But if you want different ones, it's definitely worth it. Always another good hint and tips is if you're going out for a night out, you don't do a mud mask, but you get a chance to do one of these, do it, because it honestly is the best base for your makeup, because your skin is all clean, smooth, moistured, and it's literally like a smooth base to just have makeup on. So remember that too. I've done it before and your makeup goes on so good. We used to do it all the time. Like my friend used to come over, or she was staying the night, we used to always do a face mask in the day and then like later at night do the makeup and that, because you can have a shower after. It doesn't matter if it takes a little bit off, but yeah, literally do your makeup at that night. Perfect. But you always don't get to do that sort of thing, but when my friend was coming over we made sure that we did. But sometimes when I'm going out I don't have that chance to do that, but I will try and remember that myself at times. Honestly, my face is so cool. It is smooth as anything. It's like a dream. I am going to say for this face mask that it was good, like really, really good. I would definitely be picking this one up again if I see it, because it was just so smooth. Look at my skin, it's so shiny and so smooth. It looks nice. Yeah, like I said, for my verdict for the FACEFACTS Ice Cream Soothing Sheet Mask with enriched with banana extract, I think it's a massive thumbs up. That is my verdict. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video for the skincare review testing tutorial. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give it a massive thumbs up. Like I said, if you give it a thumbs up, someone else will watch it and give it a thumbs up too, so definitely let me know. Also subscribe to tazwells12, hit the notification button to see the brand new videos, to do all that if you're not subscribed. Comment down below if you liked anything in the video, my advice or how I did these videos, or if you want to improve and give me feedback, then let me know down below. I will 100% like your comment every single time and comment back. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. That would be great. The video is not sponsored. It's just like I said at the beginning, it's a advice video for you guys and to show you what these like sheet masks like look like, or what the effect is that you get from I know everyone's face and skin is different, but the majority it should be okay. They shouldn't make you come out on a rash or anything, but you never know, and that's why I'm doing it on this video for you. So it's just an advice video and not sponsored. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, like I said at the beginning, and have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.